Jai Ho, my dear children of class 8th. This is your physical instructor, A.D. Chavaria, and I welcome you all for today's class. And in today's class, we are going to learn about orientation in sports skills. So, in sports, today's topic is sports skills. And what are the topics we are going to learn in sports skills? So you are very familiar with all the games which you play, and you have fun with your friends, with your classmates, and with other children too. Now, in this we are going to study about recreation games. So through recreation, what happens? For your fitness, for your strength, for your health, the games which we are playing, it may be indoor games or outdoor games, it may be for fitness or for fun, or it may be for competition. So there are so many games and sports which we play with our friends, our classmates, before the school hours or after the school hours. It may be some minor games, major games, and recreation games. So in this, whenever you have a free time and your friends, you decide, chalo, today we will play cricket. So you start playing cricket. It may be after the school when you come at your home and you go along with your friends at any one ground and you play there. So you're playing with fun. You're not playing for the competition, or you're not going for some training, but to make yourself fit, to enjoy the game you are playing with your friends. So there are so many indoor games and outdoor games such as badminton. Oftenly, badminton we play for competition. Plus, not only in the competition, we play when we have free time, when we are at home, or when we are going for some picnic. So when we go for picnic, that time we are not doing any more physical fitness, or we are not going for competition, but for fun, for recreation. We go on the beaches for picnic. During that time we play volleyball, we play kabaddi, yes, we play throw ball, then we play football in the sand. Same way, when we are coming in the school, so when the school lives, after our school schedule is over, we go along with our friends on the ground. We are not practicing for competition. It may be practicing for competition, or it may be just for having enjoyment, to have fun, to uh, all together friends coming and then encouraging each other, and you go and you start playing. It may be any games. So you play hockey also, yes, you play kabaddi, you play cricket, basketball, volleyball. Such so many other extra games are there. So my dear children, recreation is nothing else. It's a sports. It's a game where in recreation we are doing physical exercises. We are taking part in the competition, or we are not taking part in the competition, but to keep ourselves fit, to keep ourselves healthy, we play these games. Then it may be carom board, it may be chess, it may be shuttle badminton, and what not. So my dear children, it's very simple. Recreation is whenever we are having free time, the sports which we are playing, it may be any sports or running events we do. See, when you all are free, and when you are at your home and your friends say, chalo, will let us go for playing. So you all together, you go there, you have fun with each other, talk, chit and all, and then later on you start deciding, hey, chalo, let us have a running race, who will come. So you are not taking part in the competition, but the fitness what you will get by this recreation is also important, which adds in your practices, in your training, in your competition, because you are learning and you are doing it, so you are giving physical exercise to your body. So this is the sports which you are playing before the school or after the school or in the school with your friends, with your classmates. So my dear children, this is your physical instructor signing off. We shall meet in the next class. Till that, take care, have fun. Jai Hind.